One of the things we're very meticulous about is we want to make sure when we make the alloy that it contains the absolute perfect amount of gold and alloy to make the best quality jewelry. Jeet over here, you do all the calculations as to how much gold goes in and how much alloy. And then Thompson goes over here and he puts it all together. And then he takes it on up to Vichin, up at the top, and Vichin is the one who casts it. Yes, I'd like to welcome you to the casting room. And what we do here is this is where we take the plaster of Paris mold that we've made from the wax and we put it in an oven, and from the oven we evaporate the wax. And then after it sits in the oven overnight at about 2,000 degrees, then what we're going to do is going to be opening this up, and while the plaster is still hot, we're going to take it over here. This is the casting machine. Okay. What we're doing right now, the last thing that we have to do is we have to get the gold. It comes all cut up into pieces. We have all the alloy. We've got it so that we get a minimum of 14 karat, which is 58.5%. Usually we make it a little higher. We'll be somewhere between 60 and 61% gold. This right here is the heating element. It's just a little piece of wire. It heats the gold up to 1,060 degrees. Because what we do is we do it under a very, very high pressure so that when the gold is ready to be transferred to the flask, then we shoot it in. And then what's going to happen is the flask is going to come out and we're going to put it in this bucket of water, okay? And what happens is, because it's so hot, most of the plaster comes off. Then we want to make sure we get all the plaster off. So that comes in this special machine. Then we start the whole process of making a finished gold ring or gold pendant or platinum ring or platinum pendant. Everything starts here.